$540 in way less than 30 minutes. Get paid using Google Translate and your email account. This is a brand new strategy that can make you thousands of dollars, so just stay tuned with this strategy to make money online. You can do it as a complete beginner. You don't need a website, you don't need to be in front of a camera, and you don't need to have any technical skills. I'm going to show you a simple 4-step process that you can use to make money just like this, and you can do this over and over again, and once it's set up, all you need is your mobile phone and you'll be able to do this on repeat and make passive income over and over again.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
Like I said, there are 4 steps to make money online with this strategy, and this is step 1. The first thing that you want to do is you want to come over to Google and you want to go on to Google Translate. As we all know, a lot of stuff that we look for online is English-based, so when I search for things like how to make money online, I don't see other methods that people see around the world. So one of the tricks that I use is go to Google Translate. I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna translate from English over to German. So let's say we type in best ways to make money online. Now, there are people that write articles in different countries that we will never see because they're designed for their specific countries, but the methods could be unbelievable. What you want to do is copy this translation over here, and then you come over to Google and paste this translation, and you want to hit enter. What's going to happen now is it's going to give you all these different searches that are in German. Now you can do this in Spanish, in Hindi, you can do this in Finnish, you can do this in any country around the world. So what you want to do now is scroll down and find 4 different ways that people have written about how to make money online. Let's say you want to click onto this one over here, for example, and when you click on this, you're going to see that this has been written in a different language, and on your computer, you're going to have this little symbol over here that's going to allow you to translate this article into English. And this is some of the ways that I find different ways to make money online. So as you can see now, I've translated this over, and this is the entire article. I can tell you how many awesome sites I have found from people around the world that show me these different ways to make money online in different countries. So that's the first step. We're gonna need this article when we use this for the free traffic method at the end of this video, so make sure you keep watching. From here, we go to step 2. What we need is an offer. Now, when we're looking at offers, there are a few sites that you can use, and one of those sites is clickbank.com or Digistore24. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use clickbank.com. So for those of you that don't know what ClickBank is, it's an affiliate marketplace where people promote their products and you can go and promote that product and they will pay you for every sale that you get. So if they're selling a product for $900, they can pay you up to 50% and you can earn hundreds of dollars for promoting different types of products. As you know, I'm obviously in the make money online niche, so I'm going to show you a product that you can promote with absolutely free traffic. Like I keep saying, no technical skills needed and make money online utilizing your Gmail account. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a second along with that article we just found. So when you scroll down here, you can come over to e-business and e-marketing, and once you come over to e-business and e-marketing, it's all about finding a product that you want to promote. So you can scroll down here and you can see there's a number of different products. This entire process is only going to take you anything from 10 minutes to 30 minutes to set up, and you will continue to make passive income over and over again. When you scroll down here, there's a whole range of different types of products. If you don't find anything on the first page, guys, you can always come over to the second page. They've got pages and pages of this different types of stuff. What we're going to be using today is this one because that pays a lot of money for every single sale that you get. What you want to do from here is click on promote. Then you want to click on generate a hop link for yourself. So click on this one and I'll show you a super simple way that you can get free traffic and make sales consistently over and over again, so pay close attention. What you want to do is copy this link, and from here, I want to show you how you can do this on autopilot. So we now have a way that people can make money online. We have an offer that we can promote. Now what you need is to set up your Gmail account. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So for step 3, what you need to do is you need to come over to Gmail. You want to set up a brand new account, and I'll show you how you can set this up and walk away, and you never have to respond to anybody. You don't need to talk to anybody, you don't need a website, you don't need to be on camera. Once you set up a Gmail account, what you want to do is you want to come over to your settings, and then it's going to take you over to a page that looks like this. And what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Vacation Responder. This is where the automation piece comes in. So let me show you exactly what this looks like. What I've done here is I've set this up to say free training to make money from home, and I added this. If you want to learn a proven system of affiliate marketing that can work worldwide, click on the link and take the free training. And then there is a link that I've put over here. What I did was I went over to a site called bit.ly.com. I pasted that link that I got from ClickBank, so if we copy that link and paste it here, then click on shorten, this is going to create a nice short link for me over here, and all I need to do is copy that, come back over to my Gmail account and paste this in here. What happens with this auto reply or vacation responder is anytime somebody emails you to this email address, they're going to get an out of office reply, which means you don't need to sit there replying to people. This email will automatically send to anybody that emails you with this title and with this in the body of the email, which contains a link. It's a fantastic way to make money online on autopilot with affiliate marketing utilizing your Gmail account. Now we've got an email account set up, we've got our product, we've got what we want to use. Now I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic and not get any of your links banned or removed in any way. So for step 4, what you want to do is come over to a site called Coda.com. Now let me show you how you can do this without getting any of your links removed. So let's say you come over here and type in best ways to make money online. And it's going to show you a lot of these different types of answers. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to scroll down here and you want to click on to past hour. You want the latest questions that have been posted here so that you can reply to a lot of these different types of questions that are already on here. As you can see, people have written what is the best way to earn money online, or how do I earn money online from home using the internet, etc. And then what you want to do is click onto that. It's going to give you the option over here to reply back to this answer. And because this is the most recent, a lot of people will see this and they will see your responses for a very long time. And I'll show you proof of that later. What you want to do now is you want to answer this question, and once you click on this over here, it's going to bring you to this one and you're going to be able to reply back to this. Now this is where this article comes into play. You want to use this article to answer a lot of these different types of questions. I just want to show you exactly how I did this, so I pretty much prepared one earlier. So I came over here and I answered this question, and as you can see here, I simply came over here and copied this article. Sometimes you need to play around with it. You want to copy and paste. Once I finished pasting this, in order for me to make money online, what I did at the start of this answer was I wrote this in here. I'll show you a few ways how to make money online. Also, if you're interested, I can show you a method I found that has a free training to make $500 to $1,000. Just email me. And now this is my email address over here, guys, but what I did was I like to leave spaces like what you see, so people can click onto this. If they want to, they can quite simply copy this email, and what's going to happen when they email you, they're going to get this automatic response back to their email, and you'll be surprised with how much people will email you because of your answer. And the best part is, no one else will find these answers because I'm using countries from around the world to get answers. It's a super powerful strategy, and you can come over here and answer so many of these different types of questions.
And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.